happy, blessed Saturday. I just want to share with you how I wash it, and I'm gonna put it in the washing machine, my Longchamp, because it was dirty and it got here a lot of, I don't know, how do you call that? Basta, may mga madumi siya. And then itong purple one, Francine, na tapon yung ano niya, yung inumin sa loob, and oh my goodness. Kita nyo ba? Ayan o, dark. And sa jacket and everything. So, I will put it in the washing machine and try it to wash. And the Elsa also, we're gonna wash with the Longchamp today. So, this is how it looks like. Inside, it's all white. All white. The ends is still looking good. But, on this one, the small, the baby one, that's actually that's Francine's little bag, and that's mommy's. This one looks also good, but it has here a lot of.
This is mine and this is yours.
Good morning. Happy Saturday.
I was just watching and you were sleeping.
Yeah. Okay. So let's put this here inside. Hindi natin siya lalagyan ng kung anumang bag. Ipapasok ko siya dyan. I hope they will survive, and you will see it after. And I'm gonna give you a tip. Afterwards, I washed it. Okay. So sa siya ng soap. Just like this one cup. Minutes now. It's only hand wash yung pinili natin para hindi siya ganun ka lakas. And sinamahan ko siya ng iba ding damit kasi para hindi siya yung mag-isa lang umiikot sa loob at baka masira yung leather. So, kahit meron siyang kasamang damit, mas maganda kasi mas hindi siya mapapalibag as it all. Wash na natin siya. Yeah. Okay pa naman yung ano. The leather is still good but it's wet. But I won't put it in the dryer. I will hang it up at home. Ayan. It's fine. Natanggal yung mga dumi. Not everything, but we will check it when it's dry again. But dito, natanggal yung mga pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. It's totally clean now. Sila, super clean na. Kailangan lang natin silang i-dryer. At isasampay natin siya. Hindi natin lalagay sa machine.
This is my bag.
Here sila. Nandito siya sa sampayan, pati si Elsa, and then yung bag ni Francine kasi ano din, and ito, yan. Ganyan lang natin siya nakatayo, and hayaan natin siyang matuyo in the next days. And then I will update you kung ano itsura nila after on a new video. Ayun lang po. Napakasimple lang. You can wash your Longchamp bags on 30 degrees, really low, and don't dry it. Just hang it, okay? Because the leather will be baka masira. Kaya ganyan lang. See you on my next video. Thank you everyone, and don't forget to subscribe on our channel. Bye bye.